Hi everyone, it's McKiztosh here from McKiztosh Dance with another tutorial of Kizomba. Today we're going to be doing the basic 3 Kizomba step, also known as the travel step, for leaders and for followers. And I'm also going to show you some variations that you can do in the Kizomba basic 3 step, playing with the timing and musicality, so you can add some variation to your dance. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on a video. So I'm going to start with the followers first. So let's get into it. For the followers, you start with your right leg. You're going to start back, right, step back left, close with the right leg there. Then you push off again with your right leg, right, left, close with the right leg. Is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah? When you close, add some jinga, add some body movement. You want to do a semicircle on your closing step. So we go 1, 2, semicircle, 1, 2, semicircle. You can also check out the video that I did previously called Kizomba Hips in Basic 2, Waves versus Circles. I teach the circle movement for your hips in that video, so don't forget to check it out. Also, now we know the basic 3-step, we can add some variation now. So I'll show you with the pause. This is Kizomba basic 3-step with a pause. Yeah? We go. 1, 2, pause. 1, 2, pause. Yeah? It's an extra count on your closing step, but what you want to make sure is that your body is still constantly moving. You do the circle, the semicircle, slowly. Yeah? So you don't want your body to stop moving. You want to go 1, 2, semicircle, 1, 2, semicircle, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Another variation we can do is add the shuffle step or the conscious tempo step. 1, 2, shuffle, 1, 2, shuffle. Yeah? We go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Yeah? Making sure we do the jingle body movement, we do our semicircle. We go 1, 2, semicircle, 1, 2, semicircle. Let's try it with music. Basic 3. Pause.
Foi você quem me pediu pra me entregar, e a doçura do teu corpo cativou a minha alma. E hoje vivo dependente desse amor, mesmo uma espécie desconhecida no meu mar. Eu pensei que estaríamos no mesmo barco de estrelas sem tempo.
So for the leads, a basic 3-step, we're going to start with our left leg. Yeah? We go forward first. 1, 2, close, then back with the left. 1, 2, close. Yeah? So left, 1, 2, close, 1, 2, close. Yeah? It's very important when you're leading the follower, you want to initiate the movement with your chest first, yeah? So chest goes forward first, your body, the rest of your body, and your step is after, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Show you again. We go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now that we can do the basic 3-step, we're going to do with some variations. So the first one is with a pause. 1, 2, pause. 1, 2, pause. Yeah? From the front. 1, 2, pause. 1, 2, pause. So there's an extra count when you close your step. Now we can do that one. We do the final one, which is the shuffle step. We go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Forward, forward, shuffle, back, back, shuffle. Yeah? From the front. 1, 2, shuffle, 1, 2, shuffle. Yeah? Making sure when we do the shuffle movement, there's a speed change in our chest so that the follower knows that it's a shuffle step. 1, 2, shuffle, 1, 2, shuffle. Let's try that with music. Basic 3 steps.
Pio, 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 pio. Olha só, pio, 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 pio. Porque você
With pause.
Pio, 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 pio. Olha só, pio, 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 pio. Porque você passou. Pio, 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 pio.
With shuffle.
Pio, 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 pio. Porque você passou.
Thank you for watching another tutorial with me, Christina McKiztosh from McKiztosh Dance. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on a video.